we win games because we have belief in our hearts that we can do it and we deserve to do it. Okay, right now I'm looking at people with faces that they feel that this game is over. I'm telling you, believe me, this game is not over 100%. So I'll tell you why it's not over. That pitch is a professional football pitch. That team cannot physically withstand the level of running they're doing at the moment, that you're making them run. Okay, they're moving 60 minutes, exactly 60 minutes, mark my words. If I'm wrong, come and tell me after the game I'm wrong. 60 minutes time, any. Their players, the defenders, the midfielders are going to be tired now. Their legs are going to be hurting now. But you know how they're going to hurt, how they're going to be tired? Only if we make them tired. Right now, Abdullah and Ross, I haven't seen you guys interchanging passes enough.
Too much big fucking problem with midfield now.
You have passed, but not enough. What I'm saying is, let's try to triangle around their players if we can.
And guys, you gotta pass hard. This is not Heartland.
You know Heartland's Academy. You can pass like this and the ball goes to you. This is grass. This is grass.
You have to put,
some power behind your passes. Okay. And you know the people who are playing out wide on the wing, yeah?
Stay wide.
Stay wide. Your job is to stay wide. If you see the white line and you're over here and the white line's over there, you're not playing wide. You're playing midfield. I want to see you on the line. Your boots got white paint on there. That's what I want to see from that side and this side. Because what happens if you're out here, the defender's gonna come out with you here. Okay. So imagine here, you're the defender fullback. Yeah. He's with me now, right now. Yeah. What's gonna happen now? Who's there? The centre back. Yeah. And there's another centre back next to him. But what's in between? What's in between? Is there a gap? Is there a gap? Yes or no? Is there space? Yeah. Yes or no? Yeah. So the space. Now when Ross and Abdullah have the ball, they can say, there's some space there. I can play the ball to the middle. And then the winger can go through this way, or Bully can come from behind, or Musa can come from behind. You understand? You gotta understand. What I'm saying to you is, first half, you were nervous. We went 2 goals down. It's history. 45 minutes. They scored 2 goals in 45 minutes. We can score 3. We scored 4 goals yesterday with 10 men. Do you have belief? Yeah. You have to have the belief.
If you think you're gonna lose, you're gonna lose.
If you think in your head you're gonna lose, or you think someone is not passing me, I'm not happy today, it's not gonna happen for you today. It's not gonna happen. But I'm telling you, me, him, Levis, we believe that you can do it. If we believe you can do it,
if you want, yes.
45 minutes is a long time, very long time.
And I'm not going to go to more history again quickly. 2 seasons ago, our first Sunday team, we had a final in Aston Villa, half-time 2-0. I've seen faces like this. People like, oh, I'm done, I'm finished. I swear to God, second half we came out here and we fought like lions. Our fullbacks, Bully, Musa, they were pushing forward. The centre backs were going out like this wide. Abdullah, the midfielder, was dropping into the centre like this. The other team didn't know what's going on. They just keep going back and back. But right now, when we get the ball, we're messing up the passes. It's grass pitch. We have to hit it a bit harder, just a little bit harder. But honest to God, the last 20 minutes, last 15 minutes, we done fantastic. I'm not gonna lie, we done really good. Okay, we never scored, but we did good. We're just unlucky. We did good. And once again, Surah is going to come back on again this half. What we're saying to you, Surah, where's Surah?
Stay last man.
You stay last man. Your problem, your mentality is, you know what?
You're not getting the ball.
I'm not getting the ball, so I'm going to come to midfield and get it. Just be patient. I promise you, you will get the ball. Guys, are we going to pass him the ball? Yeah.
But you need to be in the box.
But you need to be in the box. You will get the ball, and then you're going to score.
Tap it and score. That's it.
Okay, we got
a winger, and Musa and Yusuf or Leo. Always, if you don't have the ball, come to the midfield, touch the ball. But one is there, one is there. So pass is not correct. What happened? I lose all the ball. Everybody have to come. You have to play together, please.
Okay, so
this team, fucking man.
One more thing. Let's get some more through balls. The defenders are slow, man.
Slow. We have to get through balls.
Let's make some runs behind. Let's get the ball behind the defense. Let's test the defenders. Yeah. Wingers, make those runs. Ross, look up.
We still got the energy.
The defenders are slow, man.
That's not going to lose here today. Come on, man. Let's go outside.
I'm going to do this, lads!
Come here, Daddy, vamos. Vamos a ganar.
Wait, the substitution. Ali's coming on for Leo.
Yeah, Ali's coming on for Leo.
Leo coming off. Ali's coming on for you.
Ali, stay wide. Run out of.
I want people wide. Same side as Bully. Ali. We have no.
Tío, hada que problem ni poco central que problem no central que okay. So right now se coge la carne. Kan ka gol ni mas. Bari ki da ka hito ke kala. Hostia, tío. Check your time. Keep the ball on black. You play on black first. Leave the long ball. Because this team don't understand long ball. Long ball, maybe sometimes only 1, 2, 3 after you change the ball. Alright. But not always change it. Because sometimes Haji Suragada is come to midfield. So everybody's midfield. So you do long ball, anybody's there. You understand? So you and Abdullah, you have to connection. Good get touch 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But let me keep fast. If you keep all team is coming, 2, 1. It's going, alright? So come on, man. 45 minutes left. But I need 3 goals now. Eh? Come on. Oh.
That's how you always do.
Come on. Corner. Corner.
Yeah, Sonny, you see, there.
Go wide. More 3 balls. You know you're passing in our own half. So the or fingers give 3 balls. Just test the defense. You ever tested the defense? The defenders have a taste the ball. Now we give 1 3 ball to the striker.
They want the lead now. They need you to go.
3 ball.
Hostia, es que tú no entiendes nada. Ada balong football ngantang murana balong pass. An ta ile pass musika suno. What's that? 2 minutes. How many passes you lose? How many balls? Take your time, man.